Hey track fans, how you doing? We're back on track 75 and it's amazing what we've got the AMG, the Mercedes AMG GT3 on the track again. He's been having a bit of a repair for a few days, got a little bit of a wonky spoiler, but we're going to get straight into it. So let's drive, and he's off. And he's got to take it slow up there on the R1, comes round under the underpass. He's got an R3 corner there that goes under two bridges, up and over. First time gets the lane change. First time we've got a lane change on an elevated section, which is quite exciting, Albert. Let's check out what we can do here on the inside lane now. Go for a lane change. Lane change! Get in there! On the drift circle and across the crossroads. Taking it easy. Oh! I thought I kicked him out and spun him off up there on the R1, but he's not. He's retained it on the tracks. The Mercedes AMG GT3 is on fire today. I do like this car. They are easy to handle, very smooth, quiet, and they sounds like it's running on electric. Of course it is. But anyway, let's drive. Okay, through the chicanes into the long turns, loosely round there. Let's get a lane change on the elevated section. Let's see if we can make that happen. Just cruising up to it. I've got the button hit. Yes, lane change. Let's do last lap, track fans. Come on, Albert. Last track. Last lap off the track. Track 75. Amazing. Look at a long, high, elevated section round here. Oh, that'll do. Anyway, see you later, mate. See you later, guys.